So all of you switch my name because I'm going to write here. Pin my name, Professor Dr. Ramu. Now I draw the diagram. You can see now. So it has okay. So is it clear now? This is the diagram. Okay, this is the diagram. How many masses are there? So the problem is very simple. Just a moment. The problem is very simple. That is, in this we have how many masses are there? Please type your answers in the chat box. How many masses are there in the? To type in the problem. To type the answer in the chat box. How many masses are there? Three masses are there. So if we have three masses, we need to write three equations, three body diagrams we have. Okay. So the given system has three masses. Therefore, number of differential equations describing the system are three. Three masses, three equations. Okay. If you have any doubts, please stop me at any point and ask questions. Okay. This is your problem now. Now we start with the free body diagram. So free body diagram for M1. M1 I am drawing. This is the mass 1. So how many components and what are the components connected to M1? What are the components connected to M1? You type your answers. What are the components connected to M1? You can type your answer. The components connected to M1 are, what are the components? Somebody type, Nitish, Naveen type 0. See, what are the components connected to M1? You refer the diagram and type original system diagram. Now, to draw the free body diagram, I have drawn M1. Okay. You refer the original. Once again, I focus. If you have not drawn, you can refer this. You refer this and tell me what are the components connected to M1. What are the components connected to M1? You write the answer. Type the answer in the chat box. K1, B1. Okay, one answer is coming. Dharan is saying that K1 and B1 are connected to mass 1. Okay. Please quickly type your, or I simply point out your name and ask questions. Okay. Nitish Naveen, he has typed B1, K1, K2. B1, K1, K2. And Rupan is typing K2, F of T. Okay. Sanjeev Kumar, he typed K1, K2, B1. Divine, he has typed K1, B1, K2. Rajshekhar, K1, B1. Suman Ranjit, K1, K2, B1. Sneha, K1, B1, K2. Okay. But the right answer is K1 with M1 at the top side, K1 and B1 are connected. Okay. Bottom side, Sabari Venkatesh, don't present your screen. Okay. And K2, Sabari Venkatesh, don't present your screen. Okay. K2 is connected between M1 and M2. Okay. So what are there are three components connected with the M1 directly. That is K1, B1 and K2. K2 is connected between two masses, M1 and M2. Okay. And is there any applied force? Is there any applied force? Please type your answer in the chat box. Is there any applied force with M1? Applied force, F of T. Abhirami has written F of T. Ruben says yes, okay. And somebody says no, okay. Jivita, F of T, okay. Is there any force? Quickly type your answer. Is there any force? Jivita, I have to ask questions, otherwise it will not work out. Ashwin, 18E104, Ashwin, you can unmute and answer. Is there any applied force with M1? Ashwin, I am asking question to you. Is there any applied force on M1? M1? Ashwin, you can type your answer. Is there any force on M1? Ma'am, Ashwin is not responding, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Sir. Yes, sir. Ashwin.
Now typed. Nitish Naveen typed. I am asking question to Ashwin. Okay.
Sir, he is
Adira,
not
you can answer
available, I think so.
now. Adira. Ah, little bit
Sir,
louder.
sir.
I'm not hearing you.
என்ன வந்து அடிச்சு விடுவாங்க
Just a moment, I check my speaker. Adira, you can answer.
ஆத்திரா
Yeah, is my voice audible?
எஸ் சார்
Okay, ma'am. Pin my name. Pin my name so that you can see the screen. Adira answered, ma'am. Madam? Ma'am?
சார்
Yeah, ma'am.
சரி சார்
Can you hear me?
சார் எஸ் சார் now only your voice is audible sir.
Is my voice clear now?
Yes sir.
Hello?
Yes sir.
Ma'am, is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So nothing wrong in it. So is M1. I have started with the M1. Is there any applied force on M1? Is my question. Is there? See, when voice is not audible, please type this in the chat box. So I change my network, adjust my network. Okay. So M1. So there are three components connected with mass 1, FM1. Okay. And this is opposing force by FK1. Opposing force by K1. And this is another opposing force by B1. Okay. So bottom side we have a spring. So you do have a force FK2. So is it clear? The free body diagram. You can type your answer. You can type your students. You can type your answer. Ma'am, Vidya ma'am, I am audible.
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. If there is any issue, please type it in the chat box. I'm listening to the chat box. Okay. This is the free body diagram of mass 1. So now I am moving to next one. So what is FM1? What is FM1? Students, FM1 equal to M1 into T square X1. Just you can see now. By dt square. FM1 equal to M1 into T square.
Try the problem. Draw the free body diagram for M2 also, and then you write the equations. Sir will come later. I think he's having net problem. Try M2 for mass 2 free body diagram and write the equation. Have you all writing? Answer me. Somebody unmute and say, have you all doing the problem? Okay. First draw the M1 diagram. Already sir drawn, I think. You have to write the equations and then you have to do the Laplace transform of that equation. And then the next one you have to draw the free body diagram for M2 and then you have to insert the opposing force and applying force. After that you have to write the equation and then you have to take Laplace transform. And finally you have to get the output divided by input, which is the output. And in last problem here find out the x1 x1s divided by x2f's. The same way this problem also have to find out output divided by input. So do it. It is same as the previous problem. If you have any doubt, please ask with me. Please pin my name. I will show the previous problem.
I am back, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I am back. Pin my name, and I switch my camera. இப்போ மேம் கட் ஆச்சு.
M1 லே கட் ஆயிடுச்சுங்க சார்.
M1 லே கட் ஆயிடுச்சா? Okay. I repeat it from the beginning. I am in college. Okay. So see the screen now. Pin my name. Students, can you hear me now? Is my voice audible? Okay. Let it go. Okay. Pin my name. I am writing here. So M1. Yeah, I am taking it from the beginning. M1. So M1. So M1 is drawn. So FM1, FK1, FB1, all the components, 3 forces. Okay, M1. And FK2 is from the bottom side. Refer the original diagram. Okay, and this is the applied force. So applied force I have written here. Okay. So as per Newton's second law, okay, before that you make a note of this. I have written this. Okay, FM1 equal to, you can see now, FM1 equal to M1 into d square x by dt square. FK1 equal to K1 into x1. And FB1 equal to B into dx1 by dt. And what is the equation for the component? I have not written. One equation is left out, not written so far. What is the opposing force for the component? For which component I have not written the equation? You can type your answer in the chat box. You can type your answer in the chat box. Students, can you hear me now? Okay. Hearing, at least you are hearing. FK2. Okay. Some of you are done. Okay. FK2, I am writing here FK2. FK2 is the component. You can refer the diagram, original diagram now. K2 is a spring connected between 2 masses. So it has 2 displacements, x1 and x2. It has 2 displacements, x1 and x2. So now the opposing force FK2 equal to K2 into x1 minus x2. Always, you please listen to this. Always the mass which is under consideration, you have to take it as positive. x2 is the mass. X2 is the displacement connected to mass m2. Okay. So here it is minus. So FK2 equal to K2 into x1 minus x2. Okay. So now using Newton's second law, f of t equal to fm1 plus fk1 plus fb1 plus fk2. Okay. So that is m1 into, students, can you hear me now? Is my voice audible? Okay. People. M1 into d square x1 by dt square, B1 dx1 by dt plus k2 into x1 minus x2 plus k1 x1. Okay. So is it clear? It is three components of this diagram, original diagram. Three components x1, v1, k2 are connected with mass 1, and there is an applied force f of t. There is an applied force f of t, and the displacement is x1. This is your input to the system, input to mass 1, and this is the output. Displacement is the output. Okay. And K2 is the spring connected between two masses. It undergoes two displacements, x1 and x2. It undergoes two displacements, x1 and x2. Because we are writing or we have drawn the free body diagram for mass 1. We have drawn the free body diagram for mass 1. So this is positive. As far as M1 is concerned, the x2, the displacement x2 is negative. That is why when we write the force equation for K2, it is Fk2 equal to listen here. Fk2 equal to K2 into x1 minus x2. So using Newton's second law, there is applied force equal to sum of all the opposing forces, all the forces. Okay. So f of t, just a moment. So f of t equal to fm1, fk1, fv1, fk2. So it is next step for fm1. It is m1 into d square x1 by dt square that we have written here. And for b1, the force is b1 into dx1 by dt plus k2 into x1 minus x2. K2 into x1 minus x2 plus k1 x1. Okay, is it clear? You can type your answer so that I can ensure your connection. Students, is my voice audible? Oh, is my voice audible? Is my voice audible? Kindly answer. Hello? Is my voice audible? Any disconnection? Okay. You can pin my name. Pin my name. Okay. This is there is f of t equal to, you can write one more f of t here. F of t equal to m1 into f of t equal to m1 into d square x1 by dt square plus b1 dx1 by dt plus k2 into x1 minus x2 k2 into x1 minus x2 plus k1 into x1. Okay. Ma'am, is it audible, ma'am, now? Vidya, ma'am? Students, is this audible? Okay. So now we move to, this is the first equation. That is f of t equal to m1 into d square x1 by dt square plus d1 dx1 by dt plus k2 into x1 minus x2 plus k1 x1. Video is blurred. Okay. Let me do something. Okay. Now you can see. Now we move to the free body diagram for. If I write with this pen, it is very clear. Right? Little bit bigger diagram. So now the video is okay. The diagram is okay. Okay, okay. So now I use this pen. So this is FK2. FK2 is the component connected to M2, and the mass itself will oppose the force, and this is the free body diagram for mass 2. Free body diagram for mass 2. Okay. So now what is FK2? Somebody can unmute and answer so that it can be live. I call Abhirami. So Abhirami, you can unmute and answer. What is FK2?
Sir?
FK2? What is FK2? See, K2 is the spring connected to M2. So what is FK2? I have to write FK2.
K2 into x2 minus x1, sir.
Pardon me? Hello?
Yes, sir. K2 equal to K2 into x1 minus x2, sir.
X1 minus X2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. You are saying that FK2 equal to K2 into X1 minus X2. Okay.
X2
Now
minus x1.
we consider the mass M2. We consider the mass M2. The displacement is here. It is written. The displacement is x2. The displacement connected to mass 2 is x2. So x2 is positive. x2 is positive. The spring is connected to, spring K2 is connected to mass 1 also. So the equation will be x2 minus x1. Is it clear? Abhinami, you can mute yourself.
Okay, sir.
You can mute yourself. Okay. So FK2 equal to K2 into FK2 equal to K2 into x2 minus x1. X2 minus x1. Okay. So FM2 to answer FM2, I call somebody from B section. Prasant, you can unmute and answer. What is FM2? 223, Prasant. Prasant? Ma'am, is my voice clear?
Yes, sir. Prashant.
Somebody can type the answer. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So Prashant is not responding.
Sir,
Okay, I can get the answer from Robinson.
sir, online level.
Robinson, what is FM2? What is FM2?
Sir, Prashant.
Who is answering?
Yes, Prashant. Your voice is audible.
Prashant, sit Prashant.
Sir. Ama, sir. Prashant, sir.
Yeah, you can answer now. FM2 equal to FM2 equal to, what is FM2? You can pin my screen so that you can understand my question. FM2 equal to, I have to write.
FM2 equal to.
Prashant?
Sir.
If you don't know, please say I don't know. Some answer I need. Whether you are hearing it or not, I don't understand sometimes.
So M2.
Okay. So FM2 equal to
M2
you want to
X2
listen
minus
carefully.
X2. Sir.
FM2 equal
M2
to
minus X1.
M2 into
M2 into X2 minus X1.
FM2 is okay. For mass, always we write single. No, single displacement. We use single displacement, not multiple displacements. Okay. So FM2 equal to, this is the right answer. M2, okay, you can mute yourself. FM2 equal to M2 into T square X2 by TT square. T square X2 by TT square. And here you can see FM2 equal to M2 into T square X2 by TT square. Okay, so FM2. FK3, FK3 equal to K3 into X2 minus X3. X2 minus X3. Okay, FK3 equal to K3 into X2 minus X3. And FB2 equal to B2 into T square X2 by dt, because B2 is connected between, refer your original diagram, or I can show you the original diagram now. So original diagram. So this is the original diagram. Now a B2. So in original diagram, B2 is connected between M2 and M3. The original diagram, B2 is connected between M2 and M3. So the displacement connected with M2 is X2 and M3 is X3. M3 is X3. So FB2 equal to B2 into dx2 by dt minus dx3 by dt. dx3 by dt. Okay. So now using, you can see now, is my screen visible? Students, type your answer. Is my screen visible? So what I am writing is visible to you? Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. So using Newton's second law, FM2 plus FB2 plus FK2 plus FK3 equal to 0. You can see now. I can show you fully. Just a moment. So Fm1 plus Fb2 plus Fk2 plus Fk3 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So that is because why it is 0? Somebody can unmute and answer why it is 0. Somebody can unmute and answer. Rokesh Kumar. Rokesh Kumar V. You can unmute and answer why it is equal to 0. This is 0. Why it is 0? Rokesh Kumar. Manianda Prabhu, you can answer. Manianda Prabhu. Ma'am, is my voice audible? Hello? Students, type your answer. Is my voice audible? Is ma'am? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
But people are not answering, keeping quiet. I think I lost my connection. Okay, Manianda Prabhu, answer my question. Why Fm1, Fm2 plus Fp2 plus Fk2 plus Fk3 equal to 0? You can unmute and answer. Yeah, he is unmuted. Manianda Prabhu. Okay. There are some answers in the chat box, but Manianda Prabhu unmuted, but not.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, answer the question. Fm2 plus Fp2 plus Fk2
Sir, can
plus...
you hear me?
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, tell me. Go ahead.
Sir, apply force வந்து 0 sir. அதனால இது இல்ல sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So applied force is 0. Applied force, since that is there is no applied force, it's equal to 0. It's good. People are understanding. I'm happy. Okay. So now we move to mass 3. I'm changing the sheet. Please listen to my diagram. Okay. Fk3, Fb2, Fm3. And the displacement is x3. Displacement is x3. So students, quickly type your answer in the chat box. Is there, refer to the original diagram, is there any applied force? Is there any applied force with the M3? Is there any applied force with the M3? Students, quickly type your answer. Yeah, Ruben, type yeah, answers are coming. Quick answers. Surya Narayana, good. 133, okay. So there is no force applied on M3. Okay, good. Okay, the components connected to M3 are, you can type your answer now. Okay, no is enough. The components connected to M3 are, the components connected to, I write here so that you can understand better. Okay, the components connected to M3 are K3, B2, K3, B2. Refer the diagram and tell me. Okay, K3, B2 is exactly right. Okay, K3, B2 are exactly right. Okay. The mass itself will give an opposing force. Mass itself, if there is a force, if there is a displacement, the mass itself will give an opposing force. So that is the Fm3. So d square x3 by dt square, d square x3 by dt square, and F that is Fm3. Fk3 equal to K3. Anybody? You can unmute and answer, students. I call somebody. Kavin Prasad, you can answer. What is Fk3? Partly I have given the answer. What is Fk3? Kavin Prasad. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, can you hear my voice? Okay, ma'am. So Kavin Prasad is not responding. You can
Okay,
note
sir.
his name, ma'am. Guna.
Guna. 501
Guna.
Guna.
Okay, Divakar can answer now. What is Fk3? See, ma'am, you can note the names, names of the people, those who are not answering. Nishan.
Sir,
Yeah, you can answer now. What is Fk3? Part of the answer, it is written there. Fk3. Okay, not answering, no issues. So Fk3 equal to K3 into X3 minus X2. And FB2 equal to, you can see here. So Fk3 equal to K3 into X2 minus X2. And FB2 equal to B2 into dx3 by dt minus dx2 by dt. Okay. And Fm3 equal to M3. Sorry, Fm3 already we have written. Not necessary. So only three equations, three forces. So using Newton's second law, Fm3 plus Fb2 plus Fk3 equal to 0. Just a moment. So Fm3 plus Fb2 plus Fk3 equal to 0. Okay. Now Fm3 is M3 into d square x3 by dt square plus B2 into dx3 by dt dx2 by dt plus K3 into x3 minus x2 equal to 0. So now how many equations we have? Okay, some answers. Kavin Prasad, he has written the answer, no issues. Okay. So now how many equations we have? Please listen, for free body diagram of mass 1, we have an equation. For free body diagram of mass 2, we have another equation. For a free body diagram of mass 3, we have another equation. That's all. Okay, that's all. So this is the mathematical model of the system. 3 equations. You need to write 3 equations. Equation 1, for mass 1 we have written an equation. For mass 2 we have written another equation. For mass 3 we have written another equation. So these 3 equations combining will give you the mathematical model of the system, mechanical translational system. Okay, is it clear? Any doubts you have? I can switch the camera for a while. Okay. Any doubts you have, students? You have any doubts? Please ask me. Is it clear? Kavin Prasad is answering now. Okay, when I asked question, he was not answering. Okay. So now it is 12:15. Okay. So now it is 12:15. We solve the problem. All of you solve the problem in your note and submit it across immediately. Okay, immediately. That is at 12:45. Once we finish the class, we receive the answer. Okay. So submit your answer. I draw the diagram. Please listen to this carefully. I draw the diagram. Very simple problem. Very simple problem. Okay. So once again, I repeat the points what we have discussed. Okay. That is, for mass, you can note all these points. For mass, we write only the one display. We consider only the one displacement. The displacement connected directly to mass. Okay. For all of the other 2 elements, for a dashpot and spring, when it is connected between 2 masses or 2 displacements, we consider 2 displacements. Okay. Whenever we write equation for mass, or the force, opposing force given by mass, is written as m into d square x by dt square. So here the displacement is x. Displacement is x. If it is x1, it is x1. If it is that is d square x1 by dt square. If it is x2, d square x1 by d square x2 by dt square. Okay. For all and if only one displacement, for example, for a spring, if it has only one displacement, it has only one displacement in the equation. If it is connected between 2 masses, a spring connected between 2 masses, then you will have 2 displacement. For example, you have drawn the free body diagram of mass 1, and the displacement of mass 1 is m1. Our displacement of mass 1 is x1. So the x1 is positive. X1 is positive. The spring may be connected between mass 1 and mass 2. The displacement connected or related pertain to mass 1 is positive. The other mass, it is negative. Other mass, the displacement is negative. Okay. So Fk1, for example, Fk1 equal to K into x1 minus x2. Something like that we have to write. Okay. So now this is the assignment question now. Assignment. Okay. I am switching my camera. Kindly pin my name. Ma'am, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So I can switch my camera. It's not switching. Okay. Now I draw the question. This is the assignment question today. There is no
Sir, voice breaking, sir.
So you write this in your note and submit it across. Once the class is over, you need to submit it. If you have any doubts, please ask me then and there. Now, ma'am, is my voice okay?
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, is my voice okay?
Okay, sir.
Students can type your answer.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So, kindly pin my name, students. You can see the problem. Obtain the mathematical model of the mechanical system. Obtain the mathematical model of the mechanical system. Okay. So I draw the diagram now. Any issues,
No,
ma'am?
sir. No issues, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So all of you try to solve this and submit it across. We verify the answer.
Sir, it is not clear.
Ma'am,
Sir, that video is not clear, sir. The picture.
just a moment, ma'am. It will be clear. Just a moment. Okay. Now, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, video clear?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So students can draw this diagram. You can make a note of it and start solving. Start solving. So if you have any doubts, please ask me. And there is a force connected to M2, connected to M2. You can see. So it is written here, there is a force connected to M2. How many masses are there? Students, quickly type your answer. Let us clarify. How many masses are there? This is my question. Displacement. There is okay. Enough. Okay. Now people are asking displacement. Whenever you please listen to me. Whenever displacements are not given, the number of displacements are equal to number of masses. Number of displacement is x1. For mass 2, the displacement is x2. So is it audible? Is it audible? Kishore says it is audible. Ma'am, it is audible. Ma'am? Ma'am, is it audible? Ruben also says yes. Okay. Now you start solving. The displacement issue is solved now. Displacement issue is solved. I give you the answer for displacement. Okay. And I do one more thing with the diagram. This side is rigid, fixed. Something like this. Okay. This is the diagram now. Just a moment. You can see the diagram. Okay. This is the diagram. Your students can draw the diagram quickly. Quickly draw the diagram. Once you have now the screen is okay. Now the screen okay. You can type your answer quickly. Okay. So now you can draw the diagram. Once you draw the diagram, you say yes. So I can speak to you. I ask few questions. I clarify your questions, if you have any. So all of you drawn the diagram. You can answer my question. Drawn the diagram in your note. Ma'am, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. But people are not answering.
Maybe they.
Have you drawn the diagram? See, Ashwin, the screen is not clear. Now is it clear? Ashwin, the screen is clear or not?
No, sir.
If you are using mobile phone, you can zoom the screen. If you are using mobile phone, you can zoom the screen for diagram.
Again, it's blur only,
You can
sir.
zoom from your mobile. Yeah, is it blur? And now you can see, ma'am. Now,
Okay, sir.
yes, I need to cover the entire figure. Now, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Now it's clear.
Okay, okay. That is, whenever there is a movement of in videos, it will not be clear. Okay, now you can, once you draw the diagram, you please tell me, so I can stop displaying the video. Have you drawn the diagram now? Drawn the diagram. All of you drawn the diagram? Okay. So now we move further. I switch the camera. Okay. Now, you please listen to me and answer my questions in the chat box. Okay. So I can, and now I am checking your understanding. Okay. How many masses are there in the given problem? How many masses are there in the given problem? Good, very good. 3 masses are there. 3 masses are there. Okay. Now, all of you start with the then free body diagram. How many free body diagram we need to draw? It has, the system has, the mechanical translational system has 3 masses. Okay. So now we need to draw the free body diagram of masses. So how many free body diagrams we have? We have 3 free body diagrams. Okay. So first you take up the mass 1. All of you draw the free body diagram of mass 1. Mass 1. Free body, I am drawing it. I will show you it at the end. We solve it step by step. M1. Displacement. Okay. What is the displacement of M1? What is the displacement of M1? Okay, Ruban says yes. Meenaj Sundaram says X1. Okay, Ruban says X1. Surya Narayanan says X1. Yeah, X1 is right. Because whenever the displacement is not given, you have to assume for X1. X1 is the displacement of M1. And X2 is the displacement of M2. X3 is the displacement of M3. Good. Very good. So the displacement is X1. Displacement is X1. Okay. Is there any applied force? Is there any applied force? Is there any applied force with the M1? No applied force. Okay. No applied force. Very good. Very good. Okay. So the components connected to M1 are, what are the components connected to M1? What are the components connected to M1? Quickly type your answer. B1 and K1. Very good. Very good. B1 and K1. Okay. So B1, the opposing force is FB1. And the mass itself, okay, please listen to me. Mass is, you can solve the problem and send the answer to us. Okay, I will give you my mail ID. You can send this answer to my mail. Okay. So FB1 is the force, opposing force by B1, and FK1 is the opposing force by K1, and there is another force. There is another force, that is FM1. Now I switch the camera. Please listen. So your free body diagram should be like this. Your free body diagram for mass 1. Free body diagram of mass 1. So displacement I have drawn here, so not necessary. This will leave it. So FB1, FK1, okay? FB1, FK1, FM1, X1, FM1, X1. Is it clear? But is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So this is the free body diagram of mass 1. Okay. So now I'm switching the camera. Okay. What is FM1? What is FM1? I call somebody. Kannan can answer. What is FM1?
Kannan 116.
See, whenever we ask questions, at least you unmute your audio so that I can understand that you are hearing my voice. Kannan is not answering. Note his name, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Kannan, no answer. Kishore can answer. 120 Kishore. What is FM1? You can unmute and answer.
Yes, sir. M1 into d square x1 by dt square.
Excellent. Thank you for answering. FM1 equal to M1 into d square x1 by dt square. Very good. Okay. So now I ask the question with somebody. Meenakshi Sundaram can answer. I hope I get the answer from Meenakshi Sundaram.
Sir.
Meenakshi Sundaram. Yeah, what is FK1?
Sir, K1 into x2 minus x1.
K1 into
x2 minus x1.
Okay. Thank you for answering. But the answer, there is a mistake actually. For which mass we are writing a equation? You can
M1.
continue. You can continue answering my question. M1. What is the displacement for mass 1?
x1.
X1. For which displacement we have to consider it as positive?
So x1, sir.
The displacement connected. X1 is positive. The all other displacements are negative. The mass may be component may be connected to different masses M1, M2, M3. For which mass you are writing equation, the displacement connected to mass is positive. All other displacements are negative.
Okay.
Now you tell me the
K1
Answer.
into X1
I
minus
have not
X2.
given you the correct answer. And now you can. Very good, very good. X1 minus X2. I have not given the correct answer. You have given the correct answer. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Fk1 equal to K1 into X1 minus X2. So now we need to write the. Now, is there any other component? Oh, B1 is there. FB1. So FB1. So FB1, I call Rashid Rahman. Rashid Rahman can answer.
Rashiki Rahman, 128.
Rashid Rahman, you can answer. 128. At least you unmute yourself so that we can understand that my voice is audible. Our voice is audible. Madam is here.
Yes, sir.
Samir can answer. Samir.
Samir.
Samir is not there.
Samir, 131.
He is typing something. Right?
Samir.
Sanjay. Sanjay must be there. Sanjay. You can answer. Sanjay.
Unmute your mic and say the answer. 132. 131.
32 is also not there.
Samir is typing in chat box, sir.
Shyam Kumar. Typing chat box. Who is typing? Samir is typing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. No issues. Please, okay. What is my question? FP1. So FP1 equal to dx1 by dt. Good. This is the right answer. B1 into dx1 by dt. Okay. We call somebody. Okay. So now we write Avinash can answer. Avinash, 202 Avinash. So what is the force balance equation now? Is there any applied force? Avinash unmuted. Very good. Immediate response. That's what we want. Avinash. Is he left?
He is also not available.
Avinash,
Sir.
he left, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Bhupender Sharma.
203.
203, are you there? Not there. 207, Dinesh Kumar. 207, Dinesh Kumar. No. Now Divine will answer.
Sir.
Divine? Yes. Unmuted. Okay. So now you can answer. The force balance equation. Is there any applied force?
Sir. Solve, sir.
Is there any applied force with mass 1?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. So the other side is 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good. The other side is 0. So Fm1 plus Fk1 plus Fb1 equal to 0. So now I switch the camera. You can see now. You can see now. So Fm1 equal to, is video clear? You can answer. I cannot see the chat box now. Unmute and answer. Ma'am, is video clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So Fm1 equal to M1 into d square x1 by dt square. Fk1 equal to K1 into x1 minus x2. These are the answers received from you. And Fb1 equal to B1 into dx1 by dt. dx1 by dt. Okay. The force balance equation. So that's what we write using Newton's second law. The force balance equation is Fm1 plus Fk1 plus Fb1 equal to 0. As there is no applied force is 0. Okay? Right? Okay. So all of you complete this problem because there is no Laplace transform. I can switch the camera. See, there is no Laplace transform. Nothing is there. Only we want the mathematical modeling because one mass we have written the equation. For one mass we have written the equation. You complete this. One more step is there. You substitute the values of Fm1, Fk1, Fb1. Okay. You write the equation for M2. M2 there is an applied. You remember M2 there is an applied force. And M3 we have M3 also. So M3 you need to write the equation. Okay. First you draw the free body diagram. The steps are first you need to draw the free body diagram. And ensure that is check it up whether is there any applied force to the mass. Okay, you draw the applied force. Okay, and for an applied force, the system in all the system, all components in the system will oppose the applied force. Applied force. Okay, so the force balance equation. You need to write the force balance equation. So Fm1 plus Fk1 plus Fb1 equal to 0. This is the first thing. You need to substitute the values. For example, for Fm1, you need to substitute M1 into d square x1 by dt square. For Fk1, you need to substitute K1 into x1 minus x2. For Fb1, you need to substitute B1 into dx1 by dt. Am I audible now? Type it in the chat box. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So I have to ensure whether my voice is audible or not. Okay. So all of you send your mail to this ID. I give my mail ID. I send it to madam. So simply you need to write a force balance equation for mass 2 and force balance equation for mass 3. That's all. And consolidate all the three equations at the end. Consolidate your answer. Consolidate your answer. Equation 1 for mass 1. Equation 2 for mass 2. Equation 3 is for mass 3. So at the end of the problem, you need to give 3 answers. You need to give 3 answers. Okay. So chat box, I have given a mail ID. You can take a photo of your answer and send it across. Okay. By today evening, 4 o'clock. Okay. By 4 p.m. today, you need to give the answers. Okay. Everything will be considered. Okay, you have marks for this assignment also. Okay, thank you. Please call and ask me. And you can ask madam also. Shall we wind up, ma'am?
Yes, sir. We'll wind up, sir.
Ma'am, shall we wind up?
Yes, sir. We will wind up, sir.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So before 4 o'clock, pardon me, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you.